Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to complete the corporate submission form in the SBTi Services Validation Portal. The portal enables a more streamlined target setting process, empowering more companies like yours to demonstrate climate leadership, drive long-term resilience, and make impactful climate action progress. In this video, we'll walk you through each section of the form, supporting you to navigate it with ease. Let's get started. After your registration has been approved, you'll see the Target Validation homepage when you click on the Submission tab. Here, you'll see an overview of your active targets. Below, the submission list shows all prior submissions made through the portal and those currently in progress. To begin a new submission, click Create New Submission. The first step will be to select your validation service. Take note of the colour-coded feedback you may see in the portal. Blue messages provide additional information to help you understand the requirements better. Orange messages highlight a potential issue in your submission. They don't block you from proceeding, but may require follow-up during validation. These messages often include suggestions for resolving the issue, or flag areas likely to be discussed with your lead reviewer. Red messages indicate a non-compliance with SBTi criteria or a critical error. Please note that you will not be able to submit targets if there are any red errors. You will then need to confirm the years for which the company is providing GHG emissions data before proceeding. While you can view the other pages to see which questions will be asked, you won't be able to enter any data in those pages until the Reporting Years tab is completed. After the Reporting Years section, the General Questions tab asks you to fill in your business model, calculation methodology, GHG protocol alignment, and organisational boundary. You'll also be prompted to upload a CSV, a comma-separated value file, in the General Questions tab. Please read the instructions carefully. If your CSV is missing fields or has incorrect formatting, the system will display an error and prevent you from proceeding. Once that's completed, you'll see this table and be able to move on to the rest of the form. Any problematic rows are highlighted for your review. If you selected flag or buildings as your validation service, you'll see additional tabs. For flag, you'll need to upload 2 more CSV files, commodity and regional breakdown, and an emissions source breakdown file. For buildings, you'll be prompted to download a buildings annex form, complete it offline, and upload it back into the portal. We plan to fully digitize this process in future updates. On the Targets tab, you'll be able to add new targets and review any existing ones. If you're required to submit sector-specific targets or completing a target update, the portal may pre-fill draft target entries for you. This information is based on the data you entered earlier or on data from the target dashboard. After clicking Add a New Target, you'll need to provide the target year, target setting approach, coverage details, intensity or value-added metrics, and scope-specific data. In the Target Setting Tool section, you'll initially calculate the minimum ambition and see a visualization of expected emissions reductions, where a slider is used to choose your target's ambition. You will then be able to review your complete target language as it will appear on the target dashboard and in your validation statement. If you want to combine targets, for example Scope 1 and 2 with Scope 3, you can do that here as well. Please note that you won't be able to proceed until all required targets are complete and minimum coverage thresholds are met. Next, you'll answer some simple questions in the Progress and Reporting tab before heading to the Evaluation Questions tab. These questions are generated automatically based on the data you've entered so far. They reflect typical follow-up queries and therefore streamline the validation process by helping you prepare answers ahead of time. Once your submission is error-free, you can move to the Payment and Terms and Conditions steps. In the Payment section, you'll see your pricing tier, which was set during registration. You'll provide information so that we can generate an invoice and a contract for the validation service selected. In Terms and Conditions, the contract is automatically generated based on your registration details and selected service. Please note that the signatories must be authorised to sign on behalf of your company. If you need to update the name of a signatory, head to the company's registration profile and update the contract type of the contact. You can then regenerate the contract. Once everything's correct, you can then send the contract for signing. The signatories will receive an email from DocuSign with a link to sign the contract. The contract must be fully signed by all required signatories before submission is allowed. And that's it. Once your contract is fully signed, you'll be able to submit your company's targets for validation. You can track the progress of your submission The target table will display real-time updates like review team assigned or under review. If your submission is rejected, you'll seek resources to help you revise and resubmit. If your targets are approved, you'll be able to download your validation statement. Need help? Click the help widget in the portal for support anytime. Thanks for watching and good luck with your submission.